and I found some dragonflies. One. Where's the second one? There was a second one here. There it is. Come on, focus. Ah! Sorry. Come on. Oh, I focused on something else. What was those? Oh, it has some long eyelashes. You can do it. Yes. Look at that shiny back. Shiny, like a silver back. That's what we have here. Nature, you know. Nachoor. 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 I see one more. Where is it? There it is. Camouflaged. Yes, we did it. Oh my god, this one's beautiful. Nachoor in its purest form, you know. Nachoor. We have a lot of these bowls. Super detailed. Wow. And then even these leaves look pretty beautiful. Let me show you. So much texture and life going on. Even once you're dead, there's so much life and character that reflects in your body from when you were there, you know. Nachoor series, you know. Looks like something's coming up. Morning. It's the 25th of the big month, vacation month. Everyone likes this day. That's how they act. I don't know if they actually like it. But today I'm going to talk about the two kinds of people in this universe. The first kind being the people who have a dream, not like a Martin Luther King kind of dream. They have like a dream at night when they're sleeping, and suddenly they have a dream, and in that dream they're like, they get COVID. In the dream, they're at this airport, and at the airport, they suddenly figure they're feeling sick, and then someone shows up with a swab, sticks it up, and they realize after the results are out that they have COVID. I'm one of those people. Last night I had a dream where I'm at the airport. I'm suddenly feeling sick, and someone showed up with a swab. I don't even know if it was an official or whatever. It was just someone with a random swab. I don't even know if it was a swab or a earbud. Yeah, earbud. But it had no wax on, so I just considered it a swab. I asked the guy to just stick it up and just check, if it's COVID. Actually, after the tests came out, which were within 1 hour, I didn't have COVID. So in that 1 hour where, the test results weren't out, everyone around me was freaking out. And then they all were wondering if, they should get a swab as well. None of them were feeling as sick as me, but COVID, you don't want to have it, especially on Christmas. I didn't get it. That's the good part, I guess. I don't know why I'm talking about the two kinds of people. That being one of them, one of the two kinds. Here's a beautiful sunrise. There's a sun there. Whoa, what are those birds? That's a huge sun. I'm gonna walk around the tree just so you can see the whole sun. But yeah, that's the one of the two kinds of people. The second one, I don't think I'll be able to fit in this video. But I bet in the last 2 years and in the coming few years, everyone's gonna get that dream at least once, that they get this gift of mankind called COVID. Oh, it's coming out itself. I don't think I need to go anywhere. There he is. It's coming out slowly. Beautiful, beautiful. It's kind of cold also, actually. Here we see the marks of mankind. As always. No, it's almost out. It's got the bottom part touching. Whoa, it's like synth wave sun. That's a crow. I'm gonna try following some birds. Let's see how that goes. Ooh, steady hands. Perfect. That's a crow. It's a nice crow. What do we have there? Something with a V, upside down V on its tail. Man, what is that sun? Oh my god. It's definitely round. And probably burning. Oh, there's a beautiful shot of a dude. Spy time. I don't think I should do this. And let him chill. Go back to the sun, which is completely out now. Yes, there it is. So that's where I was sitting while talking about the two kinds of people. And whoa. Yeah, that guy is around. And these guys are particularly loud. Firstly, they're super black, so it just looks like it's a silhouette. It's just no fight. Oh my god. Take down. I'm capturing some wild shit in nachoor today, Wait, I see another bird. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. Focus that. Oh, I did. Yes. That's enough. There's this little water body and a slope going towards it. We're going to check it out. Hopefully without doing a Humpty Dumpty scene. I wouldn't say the water is particularly clean, but I see some fish. Do you see some fish? It's a little hard to see because they're so exactly the color of the water or the ground. So I wouldn't call it dirty because it's someone's home. You don't want to be like offensive. Someone stays there. It's not like they stay and they choose to stay in shit, or maybe they don't have a choice. That's what we might think. They don't have a choice but to be in this water. I don't think fish can change waters. Some more human remains, always beautiful, especially for the fish. Yeah, some more fish. You see fish. Oh, can. Oh, nachoor underwater. What's that little floating island? I bet someone's called that home sometime. Nachoor. Oh man, just when I think, okay, it's time to go home, it's time to end this, I spot something really beautiful again. And I'm like, okay, after this. And look at that. Do we have it? Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful that color is. I don't think it's gonna turn here and look at me and say nachoor, but I think the back will do. We'll take the back. What do you think that's called? A kingfisher? Nachoor! You hear that? It's a beautiful bird in the nachoor. That bird's been talking to me for a while.